Want to see something really cool? So neuromarker for ADHD, autism, and mood disorders can be found at C3 and C4. So this is the nose and the back of the head and the ears. And so this is the left and right of the central strip. And so that is C3 here, C4 here, left and right. And so there's a rhythm called mu rhythm that is a neuromarker for these. And I'm going to scroll through this record so that you can see a little bit more obvious. But do you see it buzzing here, buzzing here? So that's mu. And we can match it with other features that we see in the EEG. Now here comes the really cool part. You can see it start to really pop. When you look for it, it's undeniable here. Here's the really, really cool part. Have you ever heard of the homunculus? Let me show it to you. If you haven't heard of the homunculus, this is it. This is just a simple Google search, or actually it's a Microsoft Bing search. And so look at the homunculus and you can see that you have your motor cortex is the red and your somatosensory cortex is the blue. So essentially how you move things and how you feel things, red and blue. And so you know how people with ADHD often fidget? That actually helps them pay attention. And notice this is C3 and this is C4. And what is right there? Well, it's the hands. And so when you are moving your fingers and when you are fidgeting, you're moving, you're squeezing your hands, or you're ripping things up, or you're picking your nails or whatever, it is actually resolving that mu in that moment and helping you to focus. Actually, one of the worst things a teacher can tell a student to do is stop chewing gum in class, because this is close enough to that area where even chewing or eating help you to focus. So if you have ADHD and you tend to overeat, especially when you're trying to pay attention, that can be related as well. So keep fidgeting and keep chewing gum when you're trying to pay attention, because that's actually super duper helping your brain focus in that moment. How cool is that? Little plug, neurofeedback is FDA approved to be a treatment of ADHD. We're allowed to say that because of the extensive research. So we can actually resolve this with the video games in a really fun way, so you don't have to suffer. So don't just keep fidgeting and chewing. Get in for neurofeedback and let's help you out.